Hello everyone, today we'll be looking at Frontify Tutorial 2025 TAM. Manage your brand guidelines and assets easily. Your brand is more than just a logo. It is an experience, a story, and a promise for your audience. But let us face it, managing brand assets across teams can get chaotic really fast. Files go missing, outdated logos keep popping up in presentations, and no one seems to know which font is the official one anymore. That is exactly where Frontify comes in. Frontify is your all-in-one digital asset management and brand building platform, created to help businesses like yours stay consistent, organized, and scalable without the constant headache. With Frontify, you can get a central hub that holds everything from your logos, brand colors, and images to videos, icons, templates, and full design guidelines. And the best part, it is accessible anytime, anywhere. So whether your team is working in the same office or across time zones, everyone always has access to the most up-to-date brand assets. No more guessing, no more clutter, just a clean, unified brand presence that scales with you. Let us go ahead and walk through exactly how you can get started with Frontify and begin transforming your brand management experience. First things first, open up your browser and head over to the official Frontify website, which is simply frontify.com. Once you are there, you will notice a very intuitive interface. At the top right corner, you will see the option to either log in or sign up. If you already have an account, go ahead and log in using your credential. If not, click on the sign up option to create your free account. Yes, you heard that right. Frontify gives you a 30-day free trial. No credit card, no commitments. Just a full month to explore what it can do for your brand. Once you have signed up, you'll be redirected to the main dashboard. This is where the real magic happens. Frontify will automatically create a sample brand space for you, typically labeled Mono Brand, which you can fully customize or replace with your own. To create your own brand space, simply go to the top right and click on New Brand. Give your brand a name. Let's say it is for your YouTube channel or your startup, and then click Finish Setup. You can also upload your logo here and set your primary brand color, which helps personalize your workspace from the beginning. Now let's explore how to set up your brand guidelines, which is one of the core features of Frontify. At the top of your screen, click on the Guidelines tab. From there, select New Guidelines and choose from one of the provided templates, blank, basic, or advanced. If you are just getting started, the basic template is a great choice. It gives you the essential framework to define your visual identity without overwhelming you. Click Create and you'll be taken to the Guidelines editor. Inside the editor, you'll see a sidebar full of useful tools. This is where you can upload your logo, activate a custom cover page, define your brand colors, select your typography, and add icons. Let us upload a logo first. Click Upload Logo, select your file, and watch as it populates your brand space. You can drag and move it as needed, and even resize it if you want to fine-tune the layout. Next, you can toggle between different layout views using the Toggle View button on the left-hand side, or use the shortcut Command+E on the Mac to switch between edit mode and preview mode. This makes it incredibly easy to edit and instantly see how your guidelines will look for viewers. From there, check out the Navigation Manager. This tool helps you organize your entire brand documentation structure. You can rename sections, reorder them, or even delete ones you don't need. Everything is updated in real time, so there's no delay between what you change and what your team sees. For instance, you can click into the Colors section, choose your brand palette, and see it reflected immediately across your guideline document. The same applies to typography and icons. Just upload, arrange, and save. Now let's talk about collaboration. Branding is never a one-person job, especially if you're working with designers, marketers, freelancers, or agencies. That is where the team section in Frontify really shines. Click on the Team tab and you'll be able to invite project collaborators simply by entering their email address. You can assign roles based on what they need to. Choose from admin, editor, or viewer. This allows you to control exactly who can edit, view, or manage different parts of your brand documentation, keeping your assets protected while still promoting collaboration. Once your guidelines are ready to share, click the Share button. Frontify offers multiple sharing options. You can invite internal team members directly, generate a public link to share with external stakeholders, or even export your entire brand guideline as a PDF, perfect for presentations, onboarding packages, or printed reference material. Sharing has never been easier or more flexible. Next up is the Settings section. This is where you can control the look and feel of your brand space, from updating your logo and color settings to changing navigation layouts and user permissions. Everything is customizable. You can even change your workspace theme to match your brand identity. For teams that want to monitor how their brand materials are being used, Frontify offers a powerful analytics section. Here, you'll get detailed insights into page views, asset downloads, share frequency, and user engagement. You can even identify which documents or assets are most popular and who is accessing them. This kind of data helps you make informed decisions and understand what materials are truly resonating with your team and external partners. Now let's move on to the projects. Another major feature within Frontify. Projects are essentially collaborative workspaces where you and your team can organize campaigns, manage brand-related tasks, track progress, and streamline creative workflows. To create a new one, simply click on New Project. Give it a name like Website Redesign or Holiday Campaign, and hit Create. Once inside your project, you can upload relevant files, add task descriptions, assign responsibilities, and manage approval workflows. If you hover over to the Workflow tab within your project, you will see exactly where each file stands in the process. You can leave comments, request feedback, upload revisions, and finalize assets without having to switch to another platform. This keeps all your project communications and files in one centralized place, significantly reducing back and forth emails and lost feedback threads. Lastly, there is the Marketplace and Integration section. Frontify connects seamlessly with the tools your team is already using, like Figma, Sketch, Sitecore, Getty Images, Zapier, and more. This integration capability allows for smoother workflows and prevents duplication of effort. For example, you can sync your design system from Figma directly into Frontify, ensuring brand consistency across all platforms. And that is all there is on Frontify Tutorial 2025. Manage your brand guidelines and assets easily. Thank you so much for watching. Please don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to our channel. And hit the bell so you never miss an update. We hope to see you in our next video. Goodbye for now.